Onyx. Mommy's gonna take you to see some cars. You ready?
Yes.
All right. We're gonna go do this, okay? Don't fail me. All right. You see this one? This truck right here? What truck is that?
A Toyota.
Good. It's a Toyota. All right. So I think I see Mommy's favorite car over here. You see Mommy's favorite car right there, right in front of the cart? What is that?
A Subaru.
Yes, it's a Subaru. Thank you.
Hit that. I know that car. It's a Kia.
Yeah, that is a Kia. Nice.
Hey, I don't know that car.
What car is that? All right, let's check out this.
Toyota.
Yes, Toyota. Good. We're gonna check out one more car because I know it's your favorite car. You ready?
Car?
Yeah, what car is that?
Ford.
That is a Ford, thank you. Yeah. We're walking towards this car so we can see if you know. I should have just drove.
Toyota.
Yeah, that is a Toyota. It's backing out.
It's going forward now.
All right. Finale. Which car is this car?
BMW.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
What car is that? Right there, the white one.
Audi.
Audi. Good. Which one is...
The green one?
No, what is the silver one right here? What's the silver one?
Kia.
Kia. Good.
How about that one?
Okay, which one is the green one?
A Ford.
Ford. Good. Which one is this one? Which car is this one? Oh no, that one is upside down. That doesn't count. I don't know what that is. I mean, I know what it is, but we're not gonna confuse you.
How's that car?
You don't know that one yet. I didn't teach you that one.
It's
Oh, which one is that white one right over there? You see that white one?
Yes.
What is that?
Mercedes.
Good. Okay, and you don't know that one yet. Do you remember what this one is? You remember what Mommy told you this one? Which one is this?
The Corvette.
Camaro.
Camaro.
Yes.
That's the best car in the thing on the world.
Well, it's okay. It's so dramatic, but it's okay.
How's that car up there?
That's an Acura.
Acura.
Yeah, you see the A? That's an Acura. All right.
And another A is upside down.
Yeah, I don't know why they put it upside down. Okay, this one right here, the H in a circle. Which one is that? Which one is that? H in a circle. Which one is that?
Over there?
Yeah, that's Mommy's car. But which one is it?
That one?
Yeah. H in a circle. Which one is that? No, that's an H. Which car is that?
H. It's an H.
For Hyundai?
Hyundai.
Yeah, I told you that. It's for Hyundai. Oh,
How's
no,
this
there's
car?
another one. I already showed you that one. Which one did I say that one was? Right here. What is that one? That one.
I say that already.
No,
How
you
about that
didn't.
car?
No, this one.
How about that car? That car. Huh?
Which one is that one?
That one.
Onyx. Look.
Yes.
Which one is that one?
I did say that.
Which one is it?
You told me about that.
Acura.
Acura.
Good grief.
How about that car?
What car is that?
H for Honda.
H for Honda. Good.
How about
That one is a Volvo.
a Volvo?
Yes, it's a Volvo.
And what's behind the Volvo?
What's behind the Volvo?
That car?
Mommy's car.
My ear?
All right. You see that one? It says L.
L.
Right here. You see it? It's right ahead of us. Right there. What is that black one?
Lexus.
Good.
Now this car.
Which car does Mommy have?
Red.
No. H for what?
Honda.
Hyundai.
Hyundai.
Onyx. So we're at the mechanics and we're gonna try this. What car is that?
A Ford.
Cool. What about this one?
Kia.
Good. All right, so let's go to this one. Is this one again? It looked like Saturn. Which one is it? So which one is this?
That one.
No, this one.
That Lisa.
Yes.
And how about that car?
I'll teach you that one soon. We're gonna do the sporty cars. Which car is this?
A BMW.
All right, cool. Which one is this?
Ford. A
No,
BMW.
that one, the white one.
Oh,
Which one is that?
it's for the Honda.
H for the Honda. Good. Which one is this one? The one that looked like a mountain. Which one is that? This one right here. So no, not that one. Which one is this one?
That one.
Yeah.
Infinity.
Yes. Good. All right. Which one is this one? Which one is this truck? That truck right there.
That one.
Yeah.
A 7A.
Nice. All right. Let's see. Is there any more? You know this one. Okay. Which one is this blue car right there? What's that blue car?
Toyota.
Nice. Good. Good. Yep, that truck is a Toyota. Thank you.
Ford.
And the Ford, correct. Okay, more cars. Which one is this one? The silver one. Volkswagen, good. Hey, how you know it's a Volkswagen?
I
You
know.
didn't even say VW. Which one is this one, even though it's damaged? Which one is this?
L.L.C.
Good.
Toyota.
Yes. Which one is this now?
Notice already for me.
You always say this. Which one is this?
Acura.
Yes!
It's for the Honda.
Mm-hmm. All right, this one you always have trouble with. Which one is this?
I know. It's like your car.
It's just like my car, yes. Which one is it? H in the circle is what?
Honda.
Hyundai.
Hyundai.
There you go.
See that horse right there?
Okay, the horse is what now?
Let's see on the back of it.
Okay, let's go see the back.
It says M-U-S. What's that?
T
A
A N
N
G.
G.
So what is that?
Sport car.
Mustang.
Mustang.